Hello, hello. Welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. I hope you're having a good day. Okay, if you see the my last video where I made the stuffed chicken breast, I told you I was making some excess chicken because one of the great things about making boneless, skinless chicken breast is to make extra so you can save it for another time. So that is what I did. I made some extra chicken breast, and here we go. So this recipe is especially for you busy moms. I'm making a casserole, basically using leftovers from that stuffed chicken breast with a few other ingredients. So here I have the chopped up chicken. I had one or a half of the breast left. As you can see, it's still stuffed with the mozzarella and the spinach. So I have that. I have here some diced onions, garlic, and some salad tomatoes that I cut in two. Alright, then I also have, bless you sweetie, spinach, and I have shredded cheese. I just mixed all the different cheese I had in the fridge together. You can use as much or as little cheese as you like. In the pot here melting, I have a small amount of butter with a little bit of bacon grease. I like to say bacon grease to add to food because it gives your dishes such great flavor. So what I'm gonna add to the pot here some chopped onions and garlic and saute those first. Okay. And I've already cooked my box of pasta using the directions on the box. So I've already cooked that and have it cooling down. I cooked it in the same pot here. I'm going to use a baking dish, so I wanted to, I wanted less mess. So I'm going to use a baking dish, so I wanted to do this in the same pot here that I made the pasta in. If I didn't show you, I also have the sun-dried tomatoes, which I did put some of it in the stuffed chicken breast. I'm going to add the bell peppers to the sauteed onions and garlic. And I'm going to continue to saute that for maybe another 2 minutes or so. Let me add my tomatoes. Let me add a small amount of this sun-dried tomatoes. Maybe just a little bit more of the sun-dried tomatoes. Is he eating? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now because I'm not using heavy cream, I'm gonna add just a bit of flour in here. I have a cup and a half of whole milk that I'm going to add now. I need a pinch of salt. Just a pinch because the sun-dried tomatoes usually taste a little salty to me. A pinch of garlic powder. Why does this side always get like this? Pinch of black pepper. Jade, you like your casserole spicy? It's a yes or no, not a sure. That was a pinch of black pepper. I'm gonna add a pinch of onion powder. I want to sneeze. Excuse me. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes. You know she didn't give me a yes answer. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes. Add a little bit of the cheese in. This is looking so good. I wish it wasn't for the kids and I could eat it because it's looking divine. It's smelling divine. Oh my goodness. Let me add the chicken pieces back in here. Or in here. Wow. My oven is already preheated to 350. Here is the baking dish. I've already greased it. Makes it easier to clean up. I'm all about cleanup. So let's add the cooked pasta in here. Cheese. I'm gonna layer the baking dish with just a little bit of cheese. Now listen here, you busy mom. Right here, you could finish this pork right here, pour it in the pan, in the baking pan, cool it down, and freeze it until time to serve it. This is one of the reasons casserole dishes are great for moms, especially when you're busy. These are perfect. You can freeze them. Make as many of them and freeze them. I recommend you buy those, you know, those foil pans with the foil lids. You know, like how you buy frozen lasagna in the store. Make your own and freeze it. You can I freeze them up to 2 to 3 weeks. So just spend one day prepping your meals and do that, and you save so much time and money. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little cheese on the top. No, I would like to also sprinkle some breadcrumbs on the top, but Jade is gonna complain, so no breadcrumbs, just cheese. If your kid's not gonna complain, I recommend the breadcrumbs and then the cheese. Maybe the last bit. Okay. I'm gonna cover it with foil. You ever have one of those days when you take out the foil paper and the whole damn thing just falls on the floor? I just had that catastrophe the other day, so this is why my foil paper looks like this. And I'm going to, oops. Yes, I'm making the, yes. No, I'm not making tacos again.
Are you making that? Are you making
the casserole?
Yay!
Yay! Oh.
Try Auntie Dad. Oh my gosh, is it done yet?
Yeah. Just about.
Are you recording?
Yes.
For now.
Guys, as you can see, I forgot to put the spinach in there. The kids are gonna love that, but I can't believe I forgot that. But I'll see you back in about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay guys, time is up on the casserole and here we go. That looks divine. I just try not to eat too much cheese. I like to make these things for the kids. But I'm gonna have to taste this. Ooh, too hot. Doesn't that look divine, guys? Thank you for watching. From my kitchen to yours, my family to yours. God bless and you have a great day.